Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this Scrawlr box. This is the February box. I know it's March, but my phone died and I normally use it for filming my videos. So I had to spend some time finding a replacement that's also an upgrade from my Samsung J3. I know that's quite an old phone. Due to lockdown, phone shops are closed. So I had to rely on recommendations and lots of YouTube reviews. In the end I decided to buy a refurbished Samsung S9. It's a great phone and the video quality has certainly improved. Well, I hope so. And with this out of the way, let's open the box. Okay, what's in this month's box? Let's have a look. We've got our two stickers. The one sticker is from last month because I couldn't include it. Then we have some information. That's a bit too small for me to read. We have an acrylic marker from Daler-Rowney and lots of acrylic paints. Oh my, so this month is all about acrylic paints. So this is white, red and blue, indigo. I quite like indigo, it's nice and dark. Some popping candy, that's going to be fun in my mouth. Okay, might try that later. Then we've got a brush from ProArte. And an unusual pencil from Koh-i-Noor, Hartmut. Koh-i-Noor, I'm not sure how you pronounce this. It's an interesting pencil. I will have to try that out later. What else have we got here? Then we have the magazine, of course. Tells you all about the items. Oh, you can also get it in blue, so I got the red pencil here. This was from, I think, last month's box. These paintings were done with the supplies from last month's box, I think. Yeah. What was it? We're in February now, aren't we? This is December, so from the December box. Then we have, this is painting from the featured artist, Julien Renaud, French artist. And then we have a small A5 pad, so it actually fits in this box. Heavyweight acrylic painting, acrylic paper. And how many? 6. Let's have a look. Yeah, that is heavyweight, and it's going to be interesting to use acrylic paints because I haven't used acrylics much. I've got acrylic paints, but somehow I never got the chance to actually use them because I get sidetracked a lot. At the moment I'm doing a lot of lino printing, so that's why I haven't got round to using acrylics. So this is a great opportunity for me to try out these colors. Yeah, I will show you in the next scene what they what they do, what they look like. These abstract matte soft body acrylic paints by Sennelier are supplied in white, indigo and cadmium red. The pouches make it easy and economical to pour small amounts of paints out. You could also use them for pouring techniques. The retail price of each pouch is £3.20 and £9.60 for all three of them. There are 40 milliliters of paint in each pouch. This Daler-Rowney Simply Acrylic Paint Marker works on all sorts of surfaces, is permanent and highly pigmented. The retail price for this is £2.65. This Pro Arte Scrawlr acrylic brush is made from stiff and durable synthetic hair and is a number 6, which makes it a good brush for finer details. It retails at £3.95. The Koh-i-Noor Hardwood Magic Pencil can create 3 different colors on paper: red, blue and white. The retail price for the pencil is £1.80. The System 3 acrylic paper block has 6 sheets of A5 paper. It has been manufactured by Daler-Rowney and costs £2.80. The total value of the items in the box is £20.80. I am testing the pencil first on a piece of scrap paper and this cheap acrylic pad. I quite like the effect it makes. The acrylic marker took a while to activate. Here I am testing the acrylic paints. The paints are nice to use and I quite like the pouring pouch. However, they are matte and not glossy. The white paint gives the option of creating opaque colors. This month's challenge was to paint fractured figures. An example for this month's challenge was provided by French artist Julien Renaud. And here you can see my paintings. The first painting was really just to test the theme. I used a pencil first and sketched in the parts of the faces, and then used the black marker to go over the lines and create the dividing lines. Then I added the colors. I don't like the resulting painting at all. Mixing the indigo and the red results in a muddy looking purple. I went over the lines again with a marker. I tried another painting with the same theme, but this time I added the black lines first and created the sections and then drew the parts of the faces. For the third painting I started with a marker, messed things up, and ended up with these bird-like creatures. I also used one of my bigger acrylic brushes to get a more even coverage in each section. I also added the magic pencil in one partition. Departing from the challenge theme was a good thing, and I think that this is the painting I like best. This month's box was a bit of a mixed bag for me. I liked the fact that it had acrylic colors, but I found the color choice very limiting and I think I prefer glossier paint. I also found that the acrylic paint was not so easy to use, you have to shake it a lot and only works for rough outlines. Small details are not really possible. The brush was okay, but as it's a number 6, even washes were impossible. The Koh-i-Noor colored pencil was fun to use. The challenge was interesting and I ended up creating something more abstract. I don't normally make abstract art. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. If you have any suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Until next time.